adjust our expenses by $8. So I would say that the best place to do it would either be savings or those music downloads. Cat supplies might be important. It might be like kitty litter or something like that. Giving to charity, if that's something that you're already trying to do, it might not be the best idea to like remove the amount that you're giving to charity if you're trying to be charitable. But music downloads and books, that's not going to hurt you if you have to like buy a little less music. And saving $8 less if you're not saving for a purpose may not hurt you either. So best idea is probably going to be to adjust how much you spend on like stuff that is just for fun, like book and music. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out again. All right, so in this situation, all right, what we're gonna do is this person has a balanced budget. So let's find out how much their expenses were and then how much their income is. And let's find out what the missing value is. We don't know how much they earned dog sitting, but, oops, oh no. Um, let me clear that. Let me clear that again. So we can find out there we go. There we go. Now it's working. Okay, so we can find the missing value by finding the total over here and then comparing our difference over here. All right, so let's go ahead and they lined them up for us already. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Oops, now I need my pen. 10, carry the 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 2 more is 16, plus 1 is 17. So they spent $170. If their balance or if their budget is balanced, let's find out how much they got dog sitting. All right, so 50 plus 40 plus 35. That gives us 9, 10, 11, 12, $125. So how much did they make dog sitting to make this equal? All right, so that is what you need to figure out. Go ahead and figure it out. So if you took the total 170 and subtracted 125, we can find the difference between the expenses and what we have so far with the income, which will tell us what the missing dog sitting piece is. So let's go ahead and do that. 10 minus 5 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So this person earned $45 dog sitting, so they have a balanced budget. So that's a way that you can figure that out, is you just look at the totals, add them up, and compare. All right? So here's another situation where we have a balanced budget, but we don't know how much this person made babysitting. So go ahead and do the same thing. Total up the expenses, total up what you know of the income, and find the missing piece. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. 10 plus 8 is 18. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have $78 in expenses. Let's see how much they have in income right now. 30 plus 10 is 40. So to find difference, once again, we got to take the total amount of expenses, subtract the income. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. So if they had a balanced budget, if both of these were 78, babysitting has to be 38, because 30 plus 38 plus 10 equals 78. So we can find the missing value by looking and making sure that our budget is balanced. All right, so we'll do some more exercises like that, but that's the general idea. Just remember, income is money you earn, expenses is money that you're spending, and you do want your income to be greater than or equal to your expenses. You never want your expenses to be greater than your income. All right, well, have fun with this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.